Fresh cassava roots arrive at the giant factory every day. This natural crop is the starting material for MSG production.
Each batch is inspected before entering production. Only suitable cassava proceeds to processing. Conveyors move the roots into the cleaning area. Removing dirt is critical for food-grade production. Powerful washing systems clean every cassava root. Fresh water removes soil and field contaminants.
Quality inspectors remove damaged materials. Only clean cassava continues to the next stage. The outer skin is removed automatically. This exposes the starch-rich interior. Cutting increases efficiency for later extraction. Uniform pieces ensure consistent processing. The cassava is mechanically ground into slurry. This releases valuable starch from plant cells. Agitation helps release starch into suspension. The extraction stage maximizes starch recovery. Screening removes unwanted plant fibers. The purified starch moves toward refinement. Hydrocyclones further purify the extracted starch. Only highly refined starch continues forward. The starch is concentrated by removing water. This prepares it for conversion into glucose. The concentrated starch is prepared for hydrolysis. A uniform mixture improves conversion efficiency. Special enzymes attack the starch structure. Long chains begin converting into simpler sugars. Controlled heating improves enzyme performance. The starch solution becomes easier to process. Another enzyme converts starch into glucose. This sugar becomes food for fermentation bacteria. Technicians verify glucose concentration levels. Consistent sugar quality is essential.
Filtration ensures a clean fermentation feedstock. The syrup becomes highly purified.
Sterilization protects the fermentation process. Only clean nutrient solution enters production. Temperature is reduced to protect beneficial bacteria. The fermentation stage is ready to begin.
Special bacteria are cultivated separately. These cultures will produce glutamic acid.
Controlled oxygen promotes healthy bacterial growth. The culture expands before large-scale fermentation. Cell concentration is carefully verified. The inoculum is now ready for production. Gigantic fermenters receive glucose feedstock. The production phase officially begins. Selected bacteria are added to the nutrient broth. They begin converting sugar into glutamic acid. Continuous aeration supports bacterial metabolism. Glucose is converted into valuable compounds. Precise controls maximize glutamic acid yield. Every parameter is continuously monitored. Regular testing ensures optimal production. Glutamic acid levels continue increasing. After hours of controlled fermentation, the broth is ready. The glutamic acid recovery process begins next. The finished fermentation broth leaves the reactor. Recovery systems begin extracting glutamic acid. The finished fermentation broth leaves the reactor. Recovery systems begin extracting glutamic acid. Powerful centrifuges separate bacterial biomass. The valuable liquid phase continues onward. Powerful centrifuges separate bacterial biomass. The valuable liquid phase continues onward. Membrane filters provide additional purification. The glutamic acid solution becomes much cleaner. Precise pH control is essential. It prepares glutamic acid for recovery. Temperature reduction triggers crystallization. Pure glutamic acid starts appearing as crystals. The crystal-rich slurry is ready for harvesting.
Separation equipment removes remaining liquid.
The crystal-rich slurry is ready for harvesting. Separation equipment removes remaining liquid.
Crystal washing improves purity. The recovered glutamic acid becomes cleaner.
The purified crystals are dissolved again. This prepares them for MSG conversion.
The purified crystals are dissolved again. This prepares them for MSG conversion.
Activated carbon improves product appearance. The solution becomes exceptionally pure.
The purified crystals are dissolved again. This prepares them for MSG conversion.
Polishing filters ensure maximum clarity. The purified solution is ready for crystallization.
Water is removed under vacuum conditions. The MSG concentration rises steadily.
Crystallization starts as concentration increases.
Tiny MSG crystals begin forming. MSG crystals have reached the desired size. The harvesting process begins next.
MSG crystals have reached the desired size. The harvesting process begins next.
Crystal washing improves final purity. The product becomes cleaner and brighter.
Crystal washing improves final purity. The product becomes cleaner and brighter. The wet crystals leave the centrifuge. They are prepared for moisture removal. Heated air removes remaining moisture. The crystals gradually become dry.
Cooling prevents moisture condensation. It prepares the product for classification.
Screening ensures consistent crystal size. Uniform granules improve product quality.
Screening ensures consistent crystal size. Uniform granules improve product quality.
Only correctly sized crystals move forward. Non-conforming particles are recycled. Approved MSG enters secure storage. The packaging stage comes next. Approved MSG enters secure storage. The packaging stage comes next. The finished product enters the packaging section. Final preparation begins before shipment.
Automated systems weigh every batch accurately. Consistent package weight is essential.
The packaging material is formed automatically. Each pouch is prepared for filling.
Each package receives an exact amount. Automation ensures high accuracy.
Heat sealing protects product quality. The MSG remains safe during storage.
Every package receives identification codes. This ensures complete production traceability. Every package receives identification codes. This ensures complete production traceability. Final weight checks guarantee accuracy. Non-compliant packages are removed automatically. Safety systems inspect every package. The final product must meet strict standards. Individual pouches are collected together. They are prepared for secondary packaging. Robotic systems load cartons efficiently. This reduces handling errors.
Robotic systems load cartons efficiently. This reduces handling errors.
Shipping cartons are securely sealed. The product is protected for distribution. Tracking information is added automatically. This supports inventory management. Robots organize cartons into stable loads. Precise stacking improves transport safety. Robots organize cartons into stable loads. Precise stacking improves transport safety. The finished product enters warehouse storage. Distribution planning begins. Each pallet is tracked digitally. This improves logistics efficiency. Robots organize cartons into stable loads. Precise stacking improves transport safety. Warehouse software organizes outgoing shipments. Orders are matched with available inventory. Selected pallets are retrieved for delivery. Every shipment is verified carefully. Shipments are organized by route. This speeds up loading operations. Delivery trucks arrive at the facility. The finished MSG is ready to leave. Pallets are loaded efficiently. Every shipment follows a planned arrangement. Loads are secured against movement. This protects the product during transit. Documentation is checked one last time. The shipment is approved for departure. The finished product begins its journey. Distribution networks carry it worldwide. Thousands of packages travel to customers. The supply chain remains highly coordinated. The factory's output reaches distribution hubs. From here, it moves toward consumers.
Every package begins with simple cassava roots. Technology transforms them into high-purity MSG.
Every package begins with simple cassava roots. Technology transforms them into high-purity MSG. The process starts with carefully selected cassava. Quality begins at the receiving stage. Cleaning removes soil and contaminants. Only approved roots enter processing. Grinding releases valuable starch. This starch becomes the foundation of production.
Special enzymes convert starch into glucose. This sugar feeds the fermentation process. Beneficial bacteria transform glucose efficiently. This stage produces glutamic acid.
Neutralization transforms glutamic acid into MSG. This creates the final flavor-enhancing compound.
Neutralization transforms glutamic acid into MSG. This creates the final flavor-enhancing compound.
Controlled crystallization creates uniform MSG crystals. Consistency is critical for product quality. Drying removes excess moisture. Screening ensures uniform crystal size. Automation improves speed and accuracy. Thousands of packages are produced daily. Extensive testing protects product quality. Every batch must meet strict standards. Efficient warehousing supports global distribution. Every shipment is digitally tracked. Modern factories reduce environmental impact. Water treatment supports sustainable production. Energy recovery improves factory efficiency. Resources are used as effectively as possible. Safety remains a top priority. Workers follow strict operating procedures. Safety remains a top priority. Workers follow strict operating procedures. Continuous research improves production methods. Innovation drives future efficiency. The facility processes massive quantities of cassava.
Large-scale technology enable continuous production.
From cassava roots to finished MSG, every stage depends on precision and technology.
An ordinary root becomes a refined food ingredient. Science and engineering make this transformation possible. Massive processing systems operate continuously. Automation helps maintain consistent quality. Massive processing systems operate continuously. Automation helps maintain consistent quality. Digital monitoring systems track every stage. Thousands of process variables are controlled. Laboratory testing confirms product specifications. Strict standards ensure reliable quality. Regular maintenance supports uninterrupted production. Reliable equipment improves factory efficiency. Modern treatment systems reduce environmental impact. Resources are managed responsibly. Modern treatment systems reduce environmental impact. Resources are managed responsibly. Energy recovery improves overall efficiency. It helps reduce operating costs. Automated warehousing improves inventory control. Products remain ready for shipment. Finished MSG reaches markets across many regions. Efficient logistics connect factory and consumers. Massive production volumes are achieved daily. Advanced technology supports this scale. Check the crystallization rate on line 3.
The parameters are stable, technician. We are at 98% purity.
Research teams continuously improve efficiency. Innovation drives future manufacturing advances. This giant facility operates as an integrated system. Every section contributes to the final product.
From raw cassava to finished MSG, every step depends on precision and control. A remarkable journey from cassava roots to MSG. Modern technology makes large-scale production possible.
The journey is complete. From cassava roots to premium MSG crystals.
Thousands of tons are produced through advanced technology. Efficiency and precision drive every operation.
Modern equipment powers every stage. Automation ensures consistency and reliability.
Fermentation transforms glucose into glutamic acid. Microbial technology plays a vital role. The cassava undergoes a rigorous filtration process before entering the crystallizers, ensuring the highest purity of the final MSG.
Automated packaging protects product quality. Every package is inspected before shipment. Automated packaging protects product quality. Every package is inspected before shipment.
Efficient logistics connect production and delivery. Finished goods move quickly through the supply chain.
Products are shipped to markets worldwide. The supply chain operates continuously.
Behind every process is a skilled team. People remain essential to factory success.
Strict quality standards guide every batch. Safety remains a constant priority.
Environmental systems support responsible production. Resources are managed efficiently. Research continues to improve manufacturing. Future technologies may increase efficiency even further.
The result is a highly refined food ingredient, produced through precision manufacturing. The result is a highly refined food ingredient, produced through precision manufacturing. Cassava starch becomes glucose, glucose becomes glutamic acid, and then MSG.
Behind every product lies an incredible process. Technology makes large-scale production possible. Skilled workers and advanced technology achieve this result. Teamwork drives every successful operation.